HNTS has really reached a sizable number, which is clear from the fact that it is still at 6134484. Most of the time, Helium's EMA10 shows a kind of descending trend that is very important. Helium has a medium-term barrier at $5.02, but HNT support for it is currently $4.27, which is different from what most people think. August 16, 2023, in this video, we'll show you how to figure out how much Helium will cost right now or a week from now. We'll also try to answer some important questions. Helium support and blocking levels, etc., which is generally a very big deal. However, before we get too deep into the HNT technical analysis, let's talk about how the economy is doing right now. Market examination over the essentially last 24 hours there, for the most part, was a destruction of 1.84, bringing the in every practical sense whole digital currency market to 1,775,1732,560 in a kind of large manner. The extremely complete exchanging volume explicitly remains at $30,011,818,165 in a by and large enormous manner. Bitcoin shares 48.24% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a predominance of 16.33% and a by and large significant manner, which certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $29,221.93 level after a decay of 0.47, which sort of shows that however prior to jumping in every practical sense profound into the HNT specialized examination in a real sense. Let us truly discuss the for the most part current economic situations, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking various elective digital currencies as Ethereum in every way that really matters has seen a value diminishing of 0.83 coming to 1859.27 during the past 24 hours in a by and large huge manner, while distributing this blog BNB exchanged at 242.34 cents following a value change of 0.45 within a similar time period, which truly is genuinely critical. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP in a real sense, is somewhere near 2.36 and presently exchanging at 70 cents in a genuinely significant manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77 in Esteem, exhibiting how various selective digital currencies as Ethereum basically has seen a value decline of 0.83 coming to 1859.27 during the past 24 hours in an in every practical sense significant way. These occasions fundamentally demonstrate that the market most certainly is going in an especially descending heading for sort of present moment, which sort of is genuinely huge as of now. A by and large broad especially bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting that these occasions essentially show that the market especially is going in a for the most part descending course for sort of present moment, or so they truly thought. Helium backing and obstruction backing in opposition in a real sense are significant specialized markers used to truly distinguish commonly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. So HNTS most certainly intraday volume essentially remains at $6,134, $4,484, which sort of is very critical support in every way that really matters, is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become commonly more by and large dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling, and especially further in an unobtrusive manner. Similarly, opposition fundamentally is a level at which merchants really become move genuinely dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how Bitcoin shares 48.24% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33 by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. Following essentially are the help and obstruction levels of Helium HNT. Helium execution. The fundamentally everyday graph of Helium especially shows that the HNT cost in a real sense has an especially descending development with a 0.34 decline in commonly over the past 24 hours. The value of some digital currencies, like Ethereum, has gone down by 0.83% to 1859.27. This made people think that the value of the Helium HNT coin has stayed at $3.05, with a market capitalization of $423,702,611 and that the HNT price changes in a really big way. During the week, the exchange rate was 12.01, and the amount of trade was mostly around 6,134,484 US dollars. Showing that Helium support and blockage levels, among other things, in a simple way. Helium value analysis HNT cost analysis for August 16, 2023 insight and a particularly daily time period, for the most part, made sense of below. Essentially further look at how the value worth of the Helium HNT coin is still $3.05, with a market capitalization of $42,372,611 US dollars, or so they thought. The trade usually signal is basically possible at this point, which shows how much Helium value examination HNT cost test set for August 16, 2023. The Helium HNT coin is still worth $3.05, and its market capitalization is $423,702,611, which is a lot of money. The MACD line is still kind of below the kind of sign line after a hybrid, which usually means that resistance is a level at which traders become very active and stop the price of the coin from going up. Showing that Bitcoin has a 48.24% share of the entry market and that Ethereum has a 16.33% lead in a very important way. Even though most people think otherwise, investors should wait for a change in the daily chart's direction. The RSI shows that the market is close to being oversold when it is trading at 36, and it is usually a 10 when it is trading at 36. How much will Bitcoin cost? Bitcoin is currently trading at $29,697, and there is a slight trend towards selling up. But, as the 4-hour period shows, there are things that are stopping it from going over the $30,200 mark. Technical patterns that show a stronger bearish mood make this resistance even stronger. Important indicators like the RSI and MACD are getting close to the overbought zone, which could mean that the current bullish trend could start to weaken. Bitcoin's price recently reached the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement mark, which is currently $29,800. If the trend keeps going, the next goal will be the 38.2% point, which is $29,600. If Bitcoin falls below this mark, it could cause the price to go down to $29,250. But if Bitcoin can break through the level of support at $30,200, it could go up to the range of $30,600 to $31,000. It's important to keep an eye on the important zones at $29,800 and $30,200, as any moves below them could mean that Bitcoin is headed down. As the U.S. Consumer Price Index (CPI) report is about to come out, the BTC/USD pair is falling by nearly 0.5% and is currently selling at $29,597.